Welcome to our touchscreen hearing check, which will determine if you are showing signs of hearing loss that may be affecting your quality of life. If this is the case, you will be able to request a free hearing assessment and consultation and a detailed copy of your results right here from this machine. Let's first check that your headphones are positioned correctly. As I speak now, you should only be hearing me in your left ear. And now, only in your right ear. When you're ready to begin, just touch the Next button on the screen below. Before commencing, we would appreciate your answers to a few questions. Your answers will help us to provide you with the best interpretation of your results, including taking into account the effects of background noise, comparing your results to people of similar age and gender, and identifying symptoms of potentially serious medical conditions. Please touch the button that you feel is most accurate and you will be taken to the next question. We will now find the faintest tones that you can hear at 4 frequencies present in human speech. To do this, we also need to find tones that you cannot hear. Even people with perfect hearing will be played tones that they cannot hear, so just relax and answer honestly. The tones will beep for a period of about 6 seconds. If you can hear the beeps, no matter how faintly, make sure that you touch the countdown timer on the screen before it turns completely red. If you're unsure, you will have one opportunity to replay a tone. Finally, if you know that you have no hearing in a particular ear, simply touch the No Hearing button and we will proceed to the next stage. When you're ready, touch Start. Okay, when you are ready, we will test your right ear. The faintest tones that you could hear have been plotted on the graph below, known as an audiogram. While this is not a substitute for a proper clinical assessment, we have adjusted your scores to account for the effects of background noise. Blue lines and crosses represent your left ear. Red lines and circles represent your right ear. This hearing check indicates that you are showing signs of a hearing loss that would be affecting your quality of life. As a comparison, someone with no hearing loss would have scores at the 0 level on the audiogram. Therefore, we strongly recommend that you arrange a free assessment and consultation at a clinic near you. You can also request a copy of your free hearing report, which will include a printout of your audiogram and expert interpretation of your results. Make your selection at any time by touching one of the blue buttons on the screen below. Hearing loss is a serious yet manageable condition. When untreated, it reduces a person's capacity to communicate, decreases workplace effectiveness and income, places stress on relationships, and increases the risk of developing dementia. Now, simply choose one of the 3 options below and you'll be taken to a touchscreen form.